Today's exercises are from the Wondrous Woman lesson. This is the lesson. This is workbook, page number 78. Workbook, page number 78. From the lesson, The Wondrous Woman, worksheet 5.3. Read the text from the lesson and answer the following. Swapna as to in all your efforts. This is the paragraph. Here the paragraph, Swapna as to all your efforts. Here Sarojini Naidu topic. You should read these. Swapna as M.S. Subbulakshmi, Kalyani as Yamini Krishnamurthy, and Sarala as Sarojini Naidu. These are the paragraphs we should concentrate and we should read. For these paragraphs we have to write, we have to answer these answers. Okay, read the expressions and put a tick against the person. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అంటే ఈ సెంటెన్సెస్ని ఎవరెవరు మాట్లాడారో ఇచ్చిన ఎంఎస్ సుబ్బులక్ష్మి, యామిని కృష్ణమూర్తి, సరోజినీ నాయుడు, ఈ ముగ్గురులో ఎవరు మాట్లాడారో అన్నది ఈ సెంటెన్సెస్, ఈ పారాగ్రాఫ్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ పారాగ్రాఫ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాటిని చూసి మనం టిక్ మార్క్ పెట్టాలి. ఎవరు మాట్లాడిన సెంటెన్స్కి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర టిక్ మార్క్ పెడుతూ ఉండాలి ఈ టేబుల్లో. రైటింగ్ పోయట్రీ ఈజ్ మై హాబీ. రైటింగ్ పోయట్రీ ఈజ్ మై హాబీ. ఇది ఎవరన్నారు? రైటింగ్ సంబంధించి అది మనం సరళ ఎస్ సరోజినీ నాయుడు పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఉంది కదా, రైటింగ్ పోయట్రీ ఈజ్ మై హాబీ. ఎవరన్నట్టు? సరోజినీ నాయుడు. హూ సెడ్ దీస్ వర్డ్స్? సరోజినీ నాయుడు. సో వీ షుడ్ టిక్ హియర్ ఫర్ సరోజినీ నాయుడు కాలమ్. ఓకే, రైట్ లైక్ దిస్ వీ షుడ్ రైట్. I have a great passion for dance. Who is dancer here? Yamini Krishnamurthy dancer here. So you should read these paragraph. I have a great passion for dance. So this is these words are from Yamini Krishnamurthy. So we should write tick here for Yamini Krishnamurthy column. Music is a special gift. Music, who can talk about music? The singer M.S. Subbulakshmi is talking about music. So you should watch for this paragraph. Music, where is M.S. Subbulakshmi? Music is a special gift. This is the sentence. Music is special gift. Who told these words? Subbulakshmi, M.S. Subbulakshmi. Subbulakshmi we should call. So we should tick here for M.S. Subbulakshmi. Enhance your passions. Enhance your passions. Who told these words? Here we have enhance your passions. So who told these words? Yamini Krishnamurthy. So Yamini Krishnamurthy, where is Yamini Krishnamurthy? This column from Yamini Krishnamurthy. So we should tick here. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Who told this? Here. Practice makes a person perfect. Who told this? M.S. Subbulakshmi. This is the answer. So we should tick here for M.S. Subbulakshmi. Okay, these are the answers we should write. Okay, next, name the professions you know. One has been done for you. Professions రాయండి. డాన్సర్ ప్రొఫెషన్స్ అంటే వాళ్ళు చేసే పనులు అనమాట, వృత్తులు. మన ఇంట్లో ప్రొఫెషన్స్ అంటే మన పేరెంట్స్ చేస్తారు కదా, ఇంట్లో ఒక రకరకాల పనులు చేస్తుంటారు. మనం డబ్బులు సంపాదించడానికి చేసే ప్రతి పని వృత్తి కింద వస్తుందన్నమాట. సో డాన్సర్ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? సింగర్. ఒక ఎంఎస్ సుబ్బులక్ష్మి ఈజ్ ఎ సింగర్. సో సింగర్. ఇంకా writer, Sarojini Naidu is a writer. Teacher also a profession. Doctor, ఇంకా police, ఇవన్నీ ప్రొఫెషన్స్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ప్రొఫెషన్స్. నెక్స్ట్, write the missing letters to make meaningful words. You should write here missing letters. First word is music. Second word is effort. EFFORT. MUSIC music. EFFORT effort. Classical CLASSICAL classical. Next. Fourth one is dance. TANCE dance. Fifth one is poetry. POETRY poetry. Sixth one is urge. URGE urge. These are the missing letters. This is the worksheet 5.4 from the lesson The Wondrous Woman. Match the following pictures with their names. ఇక్కడ మనకి సరోజినీ నాయుడు, MS సుబ్బులక్ష్మి, కల్పనా చావ్లా, మదర్ తెరిసా. These are the words. These are the names. We should match from these pictures. So first one is MS Subbulakshmi. We should cross this line like this. Next, Sarojini Naidu. She is Sarojini Naidu. She is Mother Teresa. She is Kalpana Chawla. MS Subbulakshmi, Sarojini Naidu, Mother Teresa, Kalpana Chawla. Okay. Next, make sentences using the table given below. Writing poetry, reading books, dancing, gardening, playing cricket is my hobby. So we should match these sentences to one to each other. Writing poetry is my hobby. Reading books are my hobbies. Or is my hobby. Dancing is my hobby. Gardening is my hobby. Playing cricket is my hobby. We should attach these sentences by forming a sentence like this. Writing poetry is my hobby. Reading books is one of the hobbies, so should consider as reading books is singular one, so we should write is my hobby. Reading books is my hobby. Dancing is my hobby. Gardening is my hobby. Playing cricket is my hobby. Should like this. It's so easy to write. All of you can write. We should read these paragraphs to answer next 5.5 exercise from work. This is worksheet 5.5 from the lesson Wondrous Woman. Reading comprehension. Read the main reading text carefully and answer the following questions. Who is the speaker in this passage? Who is the speaker? Who is the speaker in this passage? Amina is the speaker. This is the paragraph. We should read and we use this paragraph to write to answer these questions. Okay. Why did she rush towards the school? Why did she rush towards the school? They are celebrating school day. That's why she going to rush to school. They are celebrating school day. So Did her parents attend the occasion? Yes. Her parents attended the occasion. Which activity touched her heart the most? Wondrous Woman performed by her friends. Choose the correct answer. MS Subbulakshmi is A. MS Subbulakshmi is a singer. A. Shakuntala Devi is a mathematician. B. Jhansi Lakshmibai fought with British in the Dash Revolt 1857. B. Mary Kom is a famous boxer. C. Sarojini Naidu is also a freedom fighter. B.